Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Feel Like Making Love by the US soul singer Roberta Flack, which was a 1974 single released from her album entitled Feel Like Making Love. The song was written by singer-songwriter Eugene McDaniels, who also wrote the song Compared to What, made famous by Les Makin and Eddie Harris. Feel Like Making Love has been covered by numerous R&B and jazz artists from D'Angelo to George Benson. For keyboards, I suggest a Fender Rhodes sound. I don't know who played keyboards on the original recording, but it would have been either Bob James or Richard T. The song is in the key of E flat major. As usual, you should find a link in the description box below to download a basic chord sheet. Please remember to like, share and subscribe if you're finding these videos helpful, and remember to hit the notification bell for instant notification of uploads. Okay, so here's an example of how I might play it.